Want louder sound fast? Follow these simple steps to make your speaker louder right now. First, turn the speaker's physical volume knob or press the plus button until it sounds right. Next, on your phone or computer, open the volume slider and slide it up to increase system volume. On Windows, right-click the speaker icon, open Volume Mixer, and raise both app and device levels. On Android, press the side volume button, tap Settings, and increase the media volume for apps and Bluetooth devices. On iPhone, swipe to open Control Center and drag the volume slider up for a quick boost. Check Sound Enhancements where your equalizer and settings and enable loudness or bass boost for extra punch. If you use Bluetooth, reconnect and choose higher quality codecs like aptX or AAC when available. Update your speaker firmware and audio drivers on your computer to fix bugs that limit volume. Open a decibel meter app and play a test tone while watching the meter to confirm the volume increase. If sound remains low, check cables, move the speaker closer, unmute apps, and remove any obstructions around the driver. Try these steps now to get louder, clearer sound. For more quick tech tips, watch our other videos.